Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll show you how to check antivirus software on Windows 10 so you can confirm which security program is protecting your PC. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows, type Windows Security and press Enter. This section contains all system update controls and built-in security management tools. Step 2. Choose Virus and Threat Protection. This area shows detailed information about your system's antivirus status. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Manage Providers under the Who's Protecting Me section. This option lets you see which antivirus software is currently active. Step 4. Under Security Providers, review the list of active antivirus programs. This confirms whether Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus is protecting your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.